Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Gradeup, India's largest e-learning platform. So, in today's session, we are going to discuss some important formulas from your geotechnical engineering and highway engineering specifically. Okay, so we'll just wait for a few seconds and let everyone join the stream because this is a very important session and no need of taking pen or anything in your hand. It's just you can just sit and relax and just look at all the formulas. They will just give you a revision. Okay, it is just for your revision. Perfect, because few days are left. 9th को एग्जाम है आप सबका, तो कुछ टाइम बचा है, इसलिए मैंने सोचा एक सेशन ऐसा करते हैं जिसमें आप के सामने जितने भी फॉर्मूलेज हैं, ज़रूरी फॉर्मूलेज हैं, वो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे यहाँ पर. ऑलराइट, सो हाय लोकेश, हाय पूर्वेश, इंदू, हाउ आर यू ऑल? प्लीज़ टेल मी, जब तक हम वेट कर रहे हैं, हाउ इज़ योर प्रिपरेशन गोइंग ऑन? फटाफट बताइए, हाउ इज़ योर प्रिपरेशन गोइंग ऑन? कोई दिक्कत, कोई परेशानी किसी भी तरह का तो प्लीज़ डिस्कस, पूछिए. Hello Palak. Any doubts? Any regarding your examination which is on 9th of Feb? You can ask. Preparation is good. Perfect. All the very best. Hi Mubsir. ठीक है, कुछ seconds wait करेंगे and then we'll begin today's session. All right. If you want, you can share this stream so that your friend can also get the benefit out of this video. Hi Praveen. Okay, so we'll just begin. The formulas of geotechnical and highway engineering are there in this session. ठीक है, quickly we are going to revise each one of them. All right. How I can enter or type units in numerical type question. Unit, they will always give you a bracket. A bracket will be there, and in that bracket they will mention you that in this unit you have to give the answer. ठीक है, so accordingly you will be having a keyboard, you will be having a typing board actually, and you can simply just by tapping the buttons you will be able to enter the values. All right, they will provide you the exact unit in which you have to enter it. ठीक है, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा? अरे डोंट वरी एट ऑल. ठीक है मधु, tomorrow we have a session at 4 in which there will be Abhinav sir for civil engineering and he will be giving you last minute tips. So please you can ask whatever you want to ask regarding anything, any last moment thing. If you want to ask, you can ask, all right, in that particular session. टेंशन नहीं लेनी है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. ओके, टेस्ट सीरीज में मार्क्स, सी टेस्ट सीरीज में अगर मार्क्स आ गए, इफ यू विल गेट द मार्क्स इन टेस्ट सीरीज लाइक 90 एंड 95, देन यू विल बी कम इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट स्टूडेंट्स एंड यू डोंट नीड दैट राइट नाउ. ठीक है, वट एवर मिस्टेक्स यू आर मेकिंग, जस्ट गो थ्रू देम एंड ट्राई टू रेक्टिफाई दोज मिस्टेक्स एंड डू नॉट मेक सेम मिस्टेक्स इन द एग्जामिनेशन ऑन 9th Feb. ठीक है, so good evening everyone again and we'll just begin the session. How we use degree, radian, and there will be a specific button of degree and radian. All right, so you have to tap the degree or radian in which the value you want. You can simply tap that button. It is given in the virtual calculator. If you want, you can watch my video also in which I have given you an idea of how to use a virtual calculator. ठीक है, रिवीजन को कैसे देखें अच्छे से. ठीक है, अभी ये टाइम है, इस टाइम ये करना है आपको कि जो आपके नोट्स है, अगर आपने शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाए हैं बहुत अच्छी बात है, वेरी गुड. अगर शॉर्ट नोट्स नहीं है और भी अच्छी बात है. जस्ट डू वन थिंग, बहुत जल्दी पेज पलटो, देखो. ठीक है, जस्ट फ्लिप द पेजेस एंड गो थ्रू ऑल द ईच वन ऑफ लाइन्स, गो थ्रू ईच वन ऑफ द लाइन विच इज रिटन ओवर देयर. ठीक है, एंड देयर विल बी सम कॉन्सेप्ट्स इन विच यू हैव डिफिकल्टी, सो ओनली लुक क्लोजली टू दोज कॉन्सेप्ट्स. ठीक है, जो ऑलरेडी आता है उसमें टाइम मत वेस्ट करना अभी. ओके, क्लियर? तो चल स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड बहुत क्विकली करेंगे. ठीक है, क्योंकि दिस टाइम आई नो मोस्ट ऑफ यू, इवन ईच वन ऑफ यू विल नो दैट द थिंग दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस हियर, ऑल द फॉर्मुलाज यू ऑलरेडी नो. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू अ क्विक रिविजन. ओके, परफेक्ट. Sir, will I get unit-wise study material and practice problem in Gradeup online coaching for GATE 20? Yes, sir. You will be getting the top subject-wise, actually not subject-wise, also the chapter-wise. ओके, नोट्स विल बी चैप्टर वाइज एंड क्विजेज विल बी डे वाइज, कि आज सेशन में जो भी सर ने पढ़ाया यू विल बी गेटिंग द क्विजेज ऑन दैट स्टडी मटेरियल ओनली. ठीक है. How much preparation needed for qualify in GATE? I have made a video how to get 70 plus marks. All right, in that video you will be able to watch how you can just qualify the GATE. ठीक है. Perfect. So we'll just begin the session. All right. 54 watching है, 10 likes है, बहुत ही नाइंसाफी है. ठीक है. So please कुछ इंसाफ दिखाइए और उसको equal कीजिए. Like और watching equal होना चाहिए. Let's just begin the session without wasting further time. All right. So this is my introduction. Quickly introduction करेंगे. This is me. All right. My name is Joshit Sir. I'm M.Tech from IIT Roorkee. I am GATE qualified multiple times and area of expertise are transportation, fluid mechanics, irrigation and environmental engineering. Perfect. Let's see what we have next. So this is the सच्चाई से सामना slide. I always call it सच्चाई से सामना. So you have 4 days left with you. No worries, no problem. सब कुछ सेट है, सब कुछ अच्छा है. बहुत मेहनत करी आप सबने. मार्क्स आएंगे ही आएंगे. You have to be keep calm and okay. Stay motivated. Self motivation is the best motivation. शुरू करते हैं. अच्छा, ये MMC it is live right now. Please attempt this test. Hi Indu. Please attempt this test. This is live right now. This is free for you and it will be live till 12 p.m. So you can attempt it till 12 p.m. tomorrow. But if you want after this session, please attempt this mega mock challenge. It is nothing but it a test. GATE level questions are there. ठीक है. You'll be getting your rank, your marks, everything will be there for you. Perfect. Let's see what we have next. अच्छा, this is important. This is very important. जैसे ही आप एग्जाम दे के आओगे, we are going to have a quick analysis of whole paper in which we will give you the exact answers of the questions. ठीक है. And also आपको मिलेगा expected cutoff. You will also get the weightage analysis and answer keys. बाद में PDF भी प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा, उसके लिए आप बने रहना. तो टाइमिंग है 9th Feb 9 PM. रेडी रहना सब लोग. जो भी डाउट होगा आप उस टाइम पूछना. अगर आपको लगता है अगर आपको क्वेश्चंस शेयर करने हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक नंबर है, वहां आप क्वेश्चन शेयर भी कर सकते हो. यू विल बी रिवॉर्डेड, नथिंग एल्स. ऑलराइट. Can I correct the gate? Yes sir. By if you have prepared 6 subjects only but you have done a thorough study on all the 6 subjects, कोई मुश्किल नहीं है गेट निकालना. ठीक है. मैथ्स भी पढ़ लिया भाई, एप्टीट्यूड भी पढ़ लिया, कुंदन सब तो पढ़ लिया. क्वालिफाई नहीं, अच्छे मार्क्स आने चाहिए आपके, बस उसको बना के रखना है. ठीक है. जस्ट लुक ऑल द क्वेश्चंस प्रॉपरली. परफेक्ट. हाइड्रोलिक्स. अच्छा, अगर अभी भी कुछ वीक है, ठीक है, अगर अभी भी कुछ वीक है, लाइक पलक इज सेइंग कि हाइड्रोलिक्स इज वीक, छोड़ दो. जस्ट लीव इट नाउ. ओके. प्लीज फोकस ऑन द थिंग्स विच यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड टिल नाउ. ठीक है. ओनली वर्क ऑन दैट. परफेक्ट. अभी कुछ मत करो, कुछ नया नहीं करना है. ठीक है. जो कर लिया है विल वर्क ऑन दैट ओनली. वी विल नॉट स्टार्ट एनीथिंग न्यू. ठीक है. पूरा पेपर हाइड्रोलिक से नहीं आएगा. परफेक्ट. सही है. सेट है. 100 में 100 तो लाने भी नहीं है यार, है ना. परफेक्ट है. सेट है सब. स्टार्ट करते हैं अब. चलो. सो सॉइल से स्टार्ट करते हैं, फटाफट से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला इज फ्रॉम योर first chapter, water content. How you can get the water content? So simply just weight of water upon weight of solids into 100. You will be getting your water content. Perfect. At this time, what to do now? Kundan, you will be getting all the informations in tomorrow's session at 4 p.m. How like the session name is last minute tips. ठीक है. तब तक just keep revising subjects. Keep revising subjects. Test देते रहो, revise करते रहो, benefit उठाते रहो. All right. I'm not able to recall formulas what to do now. See, there is a very good concept of this one thing that if you want to learn anything, if you want to mug up anything, then you have to use most of your senses. So what you can do is, watching is one of the senses, writing is another. So you have to write them. जब तक आप लिखोगे नहीं आपको याद नहीं होगा. ठीक है. So you have to write them and remember them. और जितना ज़्यादा अप्लाई करोगे you will be getting that easily. You will memorize it. Hi Debashish Barban, काफी टाइम बाद आपसे मिले. How are you? Where were you? I think you do not watch my sessions. In the beginning you used to come. Okay. Hi Prakash. All right. So water content. Void ratio बहुत ही easy है. Very easy void ratio. What is void ratio? Just What is this? VV is nothing but volume of voids in a particular soil sample, ठीक है, and divided by what? Just volume of solids. Volume of solids. अगर मैं इस volume of solid को हटा करके and I use a total volume, अगर total volume use किया तो बन जाता है porosity. यही difference है एक VS और V का difference है void ratio और porosity में. Tricky को गेट ट्रिकी है, ठीक है, तो क्या कर सकता है? What they can do? They can just do that. They will give you porosity and they will ask you to do some numerical in which you need void ratio. तो वो भी उसका भी तोड़ है हमारे पास. I will give you the formula. ठीक है, perfect. Environment engineering is confusing for formulas. देखो यार, environment का कोई भी क्वेश्चन आएगा ना, ये रामबाण है. Please remember this one thing. If you will get any question of environment, and if you don't know how to solve it, just leave it in the beginning, okay? When you will be having your spare time, end में जो time बचता है, go through the question and always look into the units. Always look closely the units. Mostly what will happen, most of the time you will be able to give the answer only on the basis of units. ठीक है? Perfect. ओके, स्टार्ट करते हैं अभी. आगे क्या है? डिग्री ऑफ सेचुरेशन. वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉइड. ठीक है, जितना वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉइड उसमें कितना वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर है इनटू 100. एयर कंटेंट इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ एयर अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉइड, ऑल्सो 1 माइनस एस. ठीक है, क्योंकि जितना सेचुरेशन होगा टोटल में से अगर माइनस करेंगे सेचुरेशन को तो क्या आएगा? ओनली एयर कंटेंट, राइट? हाय जिमेश, सेट है. ओके, देन वी हैव दिस ऑल्सो, दैट सैचुरेशन प्लस एयर कंटेंट, दिस विल गिव यू टोटल. ठीक है, दिस विल गिव यू 1 ओनली. परफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज परसेंट एयर वॉइड, सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ एयर अपॉन टोटल वॉल्यूम इनटू 100. और एक रिलेशन और है यहां पर विच इज दिस. परफेक्ट, क्लियर. लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव. यस नयन, I just gave you the answer for your doubt. Hi, good evening from the. Hi Sandeep. ठीक है भाई, आप ही को मैंने रिप्लाई किया था. If you didn't notice, please ask me again. Okay, I'll give it again. First class है अनिल. All right, no problem, buddy. We are just revising the numericals of geotechnical as well as highway engineering. I'm gonna forget formulas. हाँ, ये feeling हमेशा आएगा. You will always get this feeling that you will forget all the formulas when you will sit in the examination hall. But trust me, as soon as you will begin solving the questions in the examination hall, you know what will happen? You are going to revise the whole civil engineering. Okay? You will be beginning from first question, and as soon as you will reach 65th question, everything will be revised automatically. ठीक है, बिकॉज क्वेश्चंस इन द पेपर दे आर रैंडमली अरेंज्ड. सब कुछ रिवाइज हो जाएगा एंड देन यू विल बी फीलिंग कि हाँ, आई नो एवरीथिंग. और जैसे जैसे आप देखोगे क्वेश्चंस को, एज सुन एज यू विल रीच टू द क्वेश्चन, एज सुन एज यू विल कंप्लीटली रीड इट, you will be able to remember, you will be able to get the formula which is required. ठीक है, you have the formula in your mind, you have used it so many times. ठीक है, so don't worry about it. कोई नहीं भूलोगे, कुछ नहीं होगा, just stay confident. Relative density, how you can find it? Simply by maximum void ratio minus your natural void ratio divided by the maximum void ratio minus minimum void ratio, multiply by 100 कर दिया. ये आपका यूनिट वेट के अकॉर्डिंग है, सबको पता है, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखते जाओ, आगे बढ़ते जाओ. ये है कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट रिलेशनशिप्स अमंग ऑल दीज प्रॉपर्टीज, ऑल दीज एलिमेंट्स. ठीक है, परफेक्ट. वैल्यूज कैसे याद रख रहे हैं? कांस्टेंट की हर सब्जेक्ट्स में बहुत सारी है. यस सुधीर, आई नो दिस प्रॉब्लम दैट बहुत सारे कांस्टेंट्स होते हैं, लेकिन when you are solving the previous year question paper or you are solving something through test series, you must have noticed that there are only certain values of constant that you are not able to remember. Work on those only. ठीक है, g की वैल्यू याद करने के लिए नहीं टाइम लगाना है, सबको पता है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज, चलो, so your dry unit weight is equals to the bulk unit weight upon 1 plus water content. तो इस तरह से we can make a relation between them. अगर ये दिया है तो ये निकल जाएगा, ये दिया है तो ये निकल जाएगा, ये दोनों दिए हैं तो वाटर कंटेंट आ जाएगा. ऑल राइट, यू कैन गेट द वाटर कंटेंट. परफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव Another relation, volume of solid is equals to total volume upon 1 plus void ratio. So void ratio can connect your volume of solid as well as the total volume. ठीक है? Next, we have weight of solid, nothing but total weight upon 1 plus water content. Another relation, very important. So, okay, so I was talking about they will give you the void ratio and they will ask you to solve the question with the help of porosity, or they will give you porosity and they will ask you to solve the question with the help of void ratio. उस टाइम पे क्या करेंगे? उस टाइम पे हम यूज करेंगे ये रिलेशन. All right, we have to use this relation. We are going to cover 2 subjects in this session, geotechnical and highway engineering. ठीक है? And I have tried to cover all the important topics, all the important formulas only. Perfect? फिर वही हो रहा है यार, 65 वॉचिंग है, 37 लाइक है, बहुत गलत बात है, बहुत ज्यादा. नेक्स्ट इज ये बहुत ही फेमस एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिलेशन, दिस ES इज इक्वल्स टू WG. It will be used in most of the questions. Remember this. If you have solved the previous year question, then you also know this, that this is the most frequently used relationship, right? Perfect. Next is, yes, more session will be there. I am going to cover all the important subjects. Tomorrow also we have a session on important formulas. फिर ये आता है one more important, how you can get the value of, this is nothing but gamma is equals to G plus ES gamma W upon 1 plus E. So right now this is gamma bulk. What is gamma bulk? Gamma bulk is nothing but it is the unit weight of existing condition. Unit weight of the sample in its existing condition. अगर sample submerged है, if the sample is submerged, then its submerged unit weight will become its bulk unit weight. ठीक है? If it is dry, then your dry unit weight is nothing but bulk unit weight. So bulk unit weight is that unit weight which is there at the existing condition of the soil sample. ठीक है? Next. Now, if I want to convert it into gamma D, which is your dry unit weight. So what you can do, just simply, अगर gamma D, अगर dry unit weight है, so what will be the saturation value? Please tell me, what will be the saturation value if the unit weight is dry unit weight? Good evening, Rajkumar. How are you? Right now in this session, only geotech and highways. Yes, very good. So it will become 0. As soon as this value will become 0, the expression that I will get is this. सही है, set है. So with the help of only one expression, I can get the value of gamma D. Next, when my unit weight is saturated unit weight. So saturated unit weight, if I have, then what will be the value of saturation? Definitely it will be 1. ठीक है? Definitely it will be 1. So as soon as it will become 1, the formula will be G plus E gamma W upon 1 plus E. 1 plus E. ठीक है? Correct? Yes, Nayan. 100% कह लो, 1 कह लो. ठीक? Next is, let's see. SSC JE क्लास लगाइए सर प्लीज. सुधीर बहुत जल्द आ रही है SSC क्लास आपके लिए आ रही है, so stay tuned. नेक्स्ट, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ यूनिफॉर्मिटी आपको क्या करना है, बहुत इजी है. D60 by D10 का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे और डायरेक्ट वैल्यू पाएंगे ऑफ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ यूनिफॉर्मिटी. नेक्स्ट, हाय जॉर्डन, हाउ आर यू? काफी टाइम बाद मिले आपसे भी. देन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ कर्वेचर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन यू आर डूइंग द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सॉइल. ये दोनों पॉइंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, सो आपको याद रखने हैं. डायरेक्टली नहीं दिया जाएगा, जरूरी नहीं है दैट डायरेक्टली दे विल गिव यू द वैल्यू ऑफ CC, ठीक है, और CU. So you have to remember these two for the classification. Acha, please tell me what should be the value of CU if I want to know that for well graded sand, what should be the value of CU? बताइए. For well graded sand, what should be the value of CU? कौन बताएगा? आंसर चाहिए सबसे. For well graded sand, the value of CU should be greater than 6. बहुत बढ़िया किरण, बहुत ही सही, वेरी गुड अनिल, हर्ष, मोहित, वेरी वेरी वेल डन, ठीक है। सो CU शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 6 फॉर वेल ग्रेडेड सैंड, एंड इफ इट इज मोर देन 4 देन व्हाट शुड बी द वैल्यू, व्हाट इज दिस कंडीशन इज फुलफिलिंग, इट इज व्हाट, वेल ग्रेडेड व्हाट। Mohit, I will also tell highway engineering. Yes, perfect. So if my CU is greater than 4, then it is well graded gravel also. अच्छा, CC की range क्या रहती है? What will be the range of CC for well graded? Both sand and gravel. 1 से 3, बहुत सही. So everyone know this one thing, that this is 1 2 3 and this is 6 and 4, not 1 2 3, 1 से 3. Okay, next is your sensitivity. Sensitivity is nothing but what? Your strength, your shear strength in its undisturbed when I have not touched the sample at that stage and also when I have remolded it. So this is how you can get the value of sensitivity. चलिए next बढ़ते हैं. अच्छा, constant head permeability test. Is it applicable for coarse graded or it is applicable for well graded? फटाफट बताइए. Sorry, fine, not coarse. Coarse sand or fine? Coarse or fine? For coarse or fine? कौन सी सैंड के लिए, कौन से ग्रेड सॉइल के लिए इज गुड? कोर्स. ऑलराइट, इट कुड बी आस्क्ड डायरेक्टली ऑल्सो. ठीक है. सो हाउ टू रिमेंबर दिस? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कांस्टेंट हेड परमेबिलिटी टेस्ट सी से शुरू हो रहा है, तो ये कोर्स ग्रेन सॉइल के लिए सही है. ऑलराइट, इफ इट इज बिगिनिंग फ्रॉम एफ देन इट इज गुड फॉर फाइन ग्रेन सॉइल. ठीक है, इस तरह से वी कैन रिमेंबर. यस, वेरी गुड राजकुमार. दिस इज हाउ आई वाज, दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज अबाउट टू टेल यू. सही है. सो C एंड F, दिस इज हाउ यू कैन गेट द वैल्यूज. बहुत ईजी है ये फॉर्मूला, याद रखना आपको. दिस इज नथिंग बट वॉल्यूम, दिस इज वॉल्यूम. सो हाउ आई यूज टू रिमेंबर इट? VL था, आई यूज टू रिमेंबर VL था. सही है. यू कैन रिमेंबर इट लाइक दिस. ओके, एंड फॉर your falling head permeability test, or sometimes you can say the variable head permeability test, because the head will vary, it will have a variation. That's why I am getting H1 and H2 values. So you have to just get the duration here and the length and the area of that tube. This is the area total that the sand sample is in, and this is how you can get the value of permeability. Set. 82 watching, 56 likes. मजा नहीं आ रहा, बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आ रहा है. ऐसे कैसे याद होगा सब कुछ? बहुत ही बढ़िया. कंसोलिडेशन शुरू हो गया. माय फेवरेट चैप्टर कंसोलिडेशन. आई हैव आल्सो टुक अ सेशन ऑफ कंसोलिडेशन. यू कैन वॉच द सेशन. अभी मत देखना, अब बाद में देखना. ठीक है. ऑलराइट, नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग इज योर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ कंप्रेसिबिलिटी. ऑल्सो वी कैन नेम इट एज AV. हाउ यू कैन गेट द वैल्यू? अरे बहुत ईजी है यार, ये तो ग्राफ से आता है. ठीक है. यू मस्ट हैव सीन अ ग्राफ विद द हेल्प ऑफ विच यू कैन गेट द वैल्यू. Okay, when the graph is between, it is a arithmetic graph, it is not a logarithmic graph. ठीक है. So at that time you will get coefficient of compressibility. Okay, as soon as your graph is the logarithmic graph actually, जिसमें you will be getting a straight graph. Okay, उस टाइम पे you will be getting the value of coefficient of compression. ठीक है. अगर आपका नॉर्मल ग्राफ है, ठीक है, उस टाइम पे आपका जो कर्व होगा इट विल लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस. बट इफ यू हैव अ लोगरिथमिक ग्राफ, ओके, इन दैट कंडीशन योर ग्राफ विल लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस एंड यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ कंप्रेशन. नेक्स्ट you will get the value of coefficient of compressibility in this graph. So corresponding values you will get. corresponding में इधर E रहेगा आपका और इधर आपका स्ट्रेस रहेगा, इफेक्टिव स्ट्रेस जो भी ये दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट लेट्स मूव. ट्रिक भाई, ट्रिक इट इज वेरी इजी. यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर. ग्राफ समझ आ गया तो फॉर्मूला समझ आ गया. यू डोंट हैव टू इवन रिमेंबर दिस. ठीक है, क्लियर. नेक्स्ट लेट्स सी व्हाट वी हैव नेक्स्ट. अच्छा, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ वॉल्यूम कंप्रेसिबिलिटी. व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू? बिकॉज यू विल बी नीडिंग दिस फॉर्मूला व्हेन यू आर बी डूइंग व्हाट, कंसोलिडेशन. ठीक है. सेटलमेंट, whenever you will be needing to get the value of settlement, you have to use this values, MV and this CC and AV. ठीक है. So this is nothing but AV upon 1 plus E naught. So these two are connected in this manner. Perfect. Clear. Set. Good. I love this when you people answer each other. Okay, it's really good. हेल्पिंग ईच अदर इज ऑलवेज गुड, ठीक है। अभी हम आएंगे टाइम फैक्टर के ऊपर। टाइम फैक्टर, व्हाट इज टाइम फैक्टर? दिस इज हाउ यू कैन गेट द वैल्यू। टीवी इज नथिंग बट सीवी टी अपॉन डी स्क्वायर, ठीक है। बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस यहां पे रहेंगे, यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व दोज क्वेश्चन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस रिलेशन, ऑलराइट। सो रिमेंबर दिस वन थिंग, ठीक है। हाउ मे द पेपर बी? यार देखो, द एग्जाम्स विच हैव ऑलरेडी कंडक्टेड फॉर मैकेनिकल, फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल, नॉट इलेक्ट्रिकल बट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, सो पेपर वॉज मॉडरेट, ठीक है। बट सिविल हम लोग ही बहुत कमाल है, ठीक है। हमारी बात अलग है, तो कुछ नहीं कह सकते। पेपर आसान भी आ सकता है, पेपर कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट हम पूरी तैयारी के साथ जाएंगे। नो मैटर इफ पेपर इज इजी और टफ, वी विल गिव आवर बेस्ट, ठीक है। हम जाके बताएंगे कि पेपर तुमने तो टफ बनाया था, हमने उसको आसान बना दिया। कॉन्फिडेंस रखना है, ठीक है। सो अब बात करते हैं सेटलमेंट पे। सो सेटलमेंट, व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू हैव इन सेटलमेंट? करवाएंगे, एनवायरमेंट का कराएंगे, डोंट वरी, विल हैव सेशन ऑफ एनवायरमेंट ऑल्सो, इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलाज। अनीता, आई डोंट, ओके सॉरी, आई विल जस्ट converse, I'll give you all the important things in English also, only actually, and whatever the random things are, I will use Hindi, okay? So just pardon me. If I use Hindi again, please tell me, I will translate it. So next thing is total settlement. Total settlement is what? It is the combination of three different type of settlements, in which you have the initial settlement, you have the primary settlement, and you have the secondary settlement. One by one we will see each one of them, ठीक है। Let's see. PDF of important notes is already available on the Gradeup app, ठीक है। Gradeup app पे PDF of important subject is already there. You can go and download the PDF from Gradeup app, okay? और डायरेक्टली ब्राउजर पे if you will search Gradeup important notes of civil engineering, you will be getting certain links and you can download the notes. इनिशियल सेटलमेंट फॉर्मूला बहुत इजी है। इनिशियल सेटलमेंट के लिए एच नॉट अपॉन सी एस लॉग 10 सिग्मा नॉट डेल सिग्मा नॉट, बहुत इजी है, देख लो एक बार फटाफट से, एंड देन विल सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। विल लेंदी इन मैकेनिकल, गिव सम ट्रिक टू सॉल्व सर। अच्छा, ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन, आई हैव गॉट अ वेरी गुड डाउट लास्ट सम डेज बिफोर। गुड इवनिंग सुरभि, आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम आई एम मीटिंग यू पीपल। अच्छा, ये this is important actually, so I'll just take 1 minute, only 1 minute I will take. So the doubt was, a student said, when I solved questions, okay, so as soon as I'll reach to the 2 marks question, my energy exhaust, okay, I completely exhaust my energy. So how to deal with this? So what happens, see, initially you will be having aptitude questions, ठीक है, एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चन होगा आपके पास, एंड देन यू विल बी हैविंग द टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस। अब टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन व्हाट यू विल डू इज यू विल बिगिन विद 1 मार्क्स, ठीक है। सो इन 1 मार्क्स देयर विल बी ओनली 2 टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट यू नो द आंसर, सेकंड यू डोंट नो द आंसर, ठीक है। ओनली सॉल्व 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन, only solve those 1 mark question in which you are completely sure and you don't have to use your mind, okay? So you have to save your energy for 2 marks question. So आगे से जाएंगे 1 marks question से आगे बढ़ेंगे 2 marks यहाँ पर है। We will solve all the questions which I know, only the questions which I know. I won't solve the question which I don't know. I don't want to waste the time because it will give me only 1 mark, okay? Next, जैसे as soon as you will reach 2 marks question, only solve those 2 marks question first which you know already, ठीक है, and then you will use your mind and all the ability to solve the question for what? For the 2 marks question in which you have doubt, अब these were the question which you have attempted and these are the question which are left out. So first solve the 2 marks question which are left out. As soon as you are done with this, let's move back to the 1 marks question which are left out. Only then move to questions which will give you 1 mark. Sir, 2 marks ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है या 1 mark ज़रूरी है? Please, simple maths. रैंक चाहिए, ऐसे आएगी, परफेक्ट, क्लियर, और इसी के साथ सेंचुरी होती है वॉचिंग की, बहुत ही बढ़िया। ऑल राइट, गुड, ऐसे एनर्जी आती है। चलिए नेक्स्ट, लेट्स सी व्हाट वी हैव नेक्स्ट। प्राइमरी सेटलमेंट, अरे यार देखो, प्राइमरी सेटलमेंट यू विल बी हैविंग सर्टेन वैल्यूज विद यू, तो वैल्यूज के अकॉर्डिंग फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे, ठीक है। इफ यू हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ द वॉइड, ओके वॉइड रेशियो आपके पास है, डिफरेंस इन वॉइड रेशियो भी है, बहुत बढ़िया. वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला. इफ यू नो दिस वैल्यू mv, we have just discussed it, how you can get the value. Okay, in that case use this one. And if you know these values, these particular values, then you have to use this. Any one formula will be useful. ठीक है, all right. कोई भी शक इसमें, कोई भी डाउट, if you have any doubt regarding examination, gate, how to attempt or anything, please ask me right now. Okay, I will take your doubt because I know this time is very crucial for you all. ठीक है. In last day revise or do problems. Problems का time गया. You don't have time to solve problems now. Keep revising those points in which you have issue, and if you want you can still make one another type of notes which is known as ultra short notes. ठीक है. Complete civil engineering का ultra short note should not be more than 1 page. And this is that point, these are those concepts, okay, it comprises of those concepts in which you are making mistake continuously. Okay, continuously. NED questions, yes, it could be of higher significance, so please look carefully. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट लेट्स सी, वी हैव द सेकेंडरी सेटलमेंट. सेकेंडरी सेटलमेंट के लिए अभी तक इतना कोई क्वेश्चन आया नहीं है, तो ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं है, बस देख के आगे बढ़ेंगे. ओके, all right. Please can you please conduct mock test in evening session? We already have a mock test live which is live right now. If you want you can attempt it. Okay, let's see what we have next, and it is up to you. If you want you can attempt it anytime, but it will be live till 12 only. Okay, okay, chaliye, let's see what we have. Venkateswaram, I just said that we from Gradeup we already have a mock test which is live right now. If you want you can attempt the test for GATE. Okay, how to prepare for just qualify? Just don't make negative mistakes, negative marks, don't get negative marks. Solve good number of questions. Okay, important things जो आता है only solve those and you will be qualified. ठीक है. Yes, you can give test series. Last day पे you don't have to give any test. ठीक है, last day पे जरूरत नहीं है, रिवाइज करो, लास्ट डे रिवीजन के लिए बचा के रखो. प्लीज डू नॉट गिव एनी टेस्ट लास्ट डे. ठीक है, बट राइट नाउ यू कैन गिव. 4 days आर लेफ्ट, यू कैन गिव राइट नाउ. चलिए, नेक्स्ट मूव टू द कैपिलरी वाटर. हाउ यू कैन गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ कैपिलरी वाटर की हाइट, हाउ यू कैन गेट इट. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. नेक्स्ट इज योर सीपेज डिस्चार्ज, KH/NF/ND डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला विच इज विल बी यूज्ड. ये आई बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट इक्वेशन, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इक्वेशन. मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन विल बी सॉल्व विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फॉर्मूला. ओके, विद दिस फॉर्मूला ओनली. Morning strategy. What should be the morning strategy? Just wake up early, have a good bath, listen good music, get ready and go to your center. जो भी रिवीजन है रात को कर लिया, अल्ट्रा शॉर्ट नोट्स लेके जाएंगे, सुबह रिवाइज करेंगे. ऑल राइट, क्लियर. नेक्स्ट इज वेन शियर टेस्ट. ठीक है, सो प्लीज टेल मी, देयर विल बी 2 conditions. One, when the complete flap is inside the soil. So which condition is this one? Please tell me. There are 2 conditions. All right, so which condition is this one? Quickly give me the answer. I'll see if I have left any important formula again. Which condition is this? Please come on, tell me. Yes, so this is nothing but completely inside. ठीक है, vein is completely inside, so use this one. ठीक है, and if it is not inside then use this one. Next is foundation. So gross pressure is nothing but, firstly we have to see net pressure is nothing but जो भी gross pressure है उसमें से we are subtracting nothing but the effective stress. Okay, clear है, perfect. Next, net ultimate bearing capacity. See, you will not get the questions directly from this, but they will be helping you in your most of the questions of foundation. please always read the question properly, that what type of pressure they are asking you. Yes, man, they will ask directly, but here you have to take care that which type of pressure they want. Okay? Yes, Madhvi, we will have a session on environment also. Don't worry. ठीक है, सारी formulas उसमें हम use करेंगे. Clear? चलो, net safe bearing के लिए nothing but आपको divide करना है factor of safety. You have to divide it by factor of safety. Okay? Next, safe bearing capacity के लिए just add the effective stress in Q net, which is your net safe bearing capacity में add किया, and eventually you will get it. ठीक है? Shiv Kumar, if you will go to the Gradeup app, there are these values, there are these PDF of important formulas. You can download it. Okay? Yes, Venkatesh, I remember actually most of you. My memory is quite good, quite good. Okay. Next is your very, very important formula for Terzaghi. Terzaghi gave this for what? For your bearing ratio, bearing capacity of the foundation. So there are certain cases. One is your strip footing. For strip footing, you have to simply use this formula. Okay. There will be a very, very small change. Very small change. What you will do is you have to multiply 1.3 in the beginning, and for square you have to do 0.4. Okay? 0.4. Next, hi Anjita. And for rectangular footing, simply again you will do 1 plus 0.3 b by L. Remember this, because when you have rectangle, obviously you will be having a width and a length. Okay? Width and a length. Alright? So b by L. And similarly here also. Clear? Clear? Alright. Next is for circular. For circular 1.3 and 0.3. Clear hai? Perfect. 40 marks in mock test. Okay. Yeah, देखो, whatever is happening, whatever has happened till now, test series में how many marks you are getting, ठीक है. Okay. अभी you have to revise all those concepts जिसकी वजह से you are not able to score good marks. Only look into the topics which are bothering you. Okay. And on the last day, on the 8th February, you just have to revise whole subject. Give less time to the topics which are good for you, which you understood properly, and give more time to the concept which bothers you. Okay, this is for your deep foundation, easy formulas. Please look closely. Okay, clear hai? This is nothing but for deep foundation. Remember, okay? Next is your, this is from exploration. Okay, so we simply just forget these. So please remember these formulas. These are very important. Look closely. Okay, good. If you want, you can take the screenshot also. I'll give you 10 seconds to take the screenshot. Your time starts now. You can take my picture also. Hi Hiralal. Clear? Set है? चलो जी. इतना important था soil में. And let's just quickly move to the highway engineering, love of my life. ठीक है? So first thing is stopping side distance. Whenever you will see the stopping side distance, it will come, and plus minus ka, you know what will happen. The plus minus, in plus minus is nothing but we are using the gradient. Okay? Whenever we are using gradient, this will come. If we are having up gradient, then positive. If you are having down gradient, then we use negative. Okay? Clear hai? Perfect. Clear? Okay. Next, overtaking side distance mein you will be having three distances. You have to add three distances: D1, D2 and D3. I have clearly mentioned it. I have used it in I have explained you this in my session also. Okay, in I think which one, geometric design part 1. In part 1 I have discussed this, the overtaking side distance, and one question was there in engineering service also, and they have played very, very well, in which they have given you the value of acceleration in a very different way. in a very different way. So please make sure that you don't make mistake like that. Clearly, do not fall into their trap. You have to look all the units closely and each one of the what we call it statements properly. Okay? So please go through each sentence properly. Clear? I have worked really well in environment, geotech, survey. Very good chance actually. You have a very good chance. So don't worry about it. This is the whole thing, how you can get the value of OSD. Remember this one thing, if you get direct, what is the minimum length of overtaking zone? What is the minimum length of overtaking zone? It is nothing but it is 3 OSD, whatever the value of overtaking side distance you have. Next, your desirable overtaking side distance is nothing but, overtaking zone is nothing but 5 OSD. Okay? So OSD will just discuss D1, D2, D3. So D1 you can simply get it by this. Always remember the velocity which you have to use. Yes, Naresh, good. Which velocity you have to use. So for D1 and D2, we are going to use the velocity of the vehicle B, because I have to overtake that vehicle. Yahan pe, in this whole picture, of OSD, what you are going to do, you have to deal with 3 type of vehicle. Okay, one vehicle is this, name it as B. One vehicle is this, name it as A. And one vehicle is this, which is C vehicle. Okay, so you have 3 vehicle here. Right now, what you have to do, this is the vehicle which is more concerned. We are about more concerned for this. So we have to use this velocity for D1 and D2, as you can see here also. All right. Okay. So we have to overtake B vehicle. Next, when we are going to use D3, so D3 distance is nothing but the distance covered by this particular vehicle. So as you can see in the formula also, we have used D3 and we are using velocity of C. Or you can use the design velocity which is given. If you have only design velocity in the question, so how you can get the value of velocity of vehicle B? You can simply get the value by this formula. In kilometer per hour, you can use this formula. This is nothing but, this is the design velocity given in the question. Directly nahi diya hai, you can use this formula. Next, for meter per second, you can do like this. T value, you can get it here. Capital T is nothing. You have to use the acceleration with which my vehicle A is going to overtake vehicle B. Okay? Clear? Ek second. If they ask after completing overtaking distance by A and then distance between A and Z at that instance, then what do? No. Acha. So that distance is nothing. It is known as buffer zone. Alright, it is buffer zone. So there will be certain, you just have to do what? You just have to get the value of ye vehicle, it will eventually come here. Okay, and this distance you have to get. Agar yahan se dekh rahe ho to yahan tak ka. Okay? So if there will be a chance of asking that question, then they will give you an additional value also. Okay? VB value is this one, because in the beginning it will follow the vehicle A, it was coming with some velocity, and eventually what will do, according to IRC, it will follow the option the vehicle B for 2 seconds. Okay? And then it will start its overtaking operation. Clear? Alright, so T you can take as 2 seconds. Perfect? 2 seconds. If vehicle C speed is not given, then ignore it. Then you don't have to get the value. Okay? Simply OSD will become D1 plus D2. If they directly give you the velocity of vehicle B, then you don't have to get the value of D3. Okay? अच्छा, एक्स्ट्रा वाइडनिंग की बात करते हैं. सो एक्स्ट्रा वाइडनिंग में क्या है? देयर विल बी 2 टाइप ऑफ वाइडनिंग इंक्लूडेड इन एक्स्ट्रा वाइडनिंग. वन इज मैकेनिकल, सेकंड इज साइकोलॉजिकल. ठीक है? सो व्हाट इज मैकेनिकल? मैकेनिकल में नथिंग बट NL स्क्वायर बाय 2R, number of lane and the length of wheelbase. Next is R is the radius of that particular curve. horizontal curve. Okay, then v upon 9.5 under root r again, same thing. ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा हर्षित, डोंट वरी यार, बहुत सही चीज आपने लेफ्ट आउट की है, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज नॉट द टाइम व्हेन यू हैव टू थिंक कि आई हैव स्किप्ड दिस सो विल आई गेट अ प्रॉब्लम. नो, ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट दिस दैट you have completed these much of subjects, so I will work accordingly, I will work on those subjects only. ठीक है, this is not the time. ठीक है, yes, v is in kilometer per hour sir. Yes Naresh, it is in kilometer per hour. Now let's come to the value of length of summit curve. ठीक है, so length of summit curve, if the length is less than SSD, it will be given in the question. This is the general formula. ठीक है, this is the general formula, so you can rely on this formula directly. Can you please tell me what should be the height of driver and what should be the height of object? Very easy question, I'm just asking you. Each one of you give me the answer, please. Height of driver and height of object. सही है, सेट है, everyone know this. तो 1.2 height of driver and 0.15 is the height of object. ठीक है, as soon as you will put the values, you will get your answer as this. So always remember this formula. ठीक है, yes sir, today only formula because time is very less, so you have to only focus on the formulas. Next is when length is greater than OSD, simply it will convert, and this is nothing, ignore it. Okay, that time we were discussing SSD. ठीक है, and now we are discussing OSD. Clear? Clear? Yes, it is 1.2 and 0.15. Perfect. So in that case, it will become 9.6. And if length is less than OSD, then 9.6 ऊपर and n नीचे. Clear? Easy है यार. No worries in this. अच्छा, now we are talking about valley condition. अच्छा, whenever there is valley curve will bring what? It will bring you a discomfort. So we have to take care, we have to consider that discomfort as well. ठीक है, so now you have to use one more formula, which is this for discomfort. Okay, simply just remember the values. C 0.38, why I have written here 0.38, because either C value you can take as how much value you can take. Can anyone tell me the range? 0.52, how much range of this C? 0.52 how much? हाँ, 0.5 से 0.8 कुछ भी ले सकते हैं आप, but 0.6 is the ideal one. Okay, so take 0.6. As soon as I will take 0.6, this will the value. So you can remember this also if you want. That's on you only. ठीक है? And now this is again the condition when length is more than HSD. Now the condition will be HSD, which is headlight side distance. ठीक है? Headlight side distance. Next, the other case, the vice versa case. Okay? Unit of C. Someone is asking unit of C. Come on, tell me. Who will tell me unit of C? Fatafat. No, nothing will be in percentage. Yes, meter per second cube. Yes, meter per second cube. Perfect. Very, very good. सबको पता है यार, बहुत ही मजा आ गया यार ये देख के तो. Very nice. Yes, it is rate of change of acceleration. ठीक है, all set. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move to the very favorite chapter of most of you, which is your traffic engineering. All right. So in this you have to remember these certain values. Capacity 1000 via by saturation. C is equals to 3600 by head. Yes, perfect. Meter per second square. Clear है, सबको clear है. ठीक है. अच्छा, इसके बाद there is one more important thing, which is your Webster method. Why we use Webster method? Please tell me why we use Webster method. Why we use Webster method? Hi Batman. I'm glad you joined my session. Which cycle time? Yes, very good. Optimum cycle time, Ajinkya. Not sorry, Rupesh. ठीक है? Optimum cycle length. Okay. So C naught is 1.5 L plus how much? 5 upon 1 minus Y. And 1 minus Y is nothing but it is the summation of Y1, Y2, Y3 and whatever till N. ठीक है? And Y is nothing but it is your normal flow upon saturation flow. It is nothing but it is the ratio of your normal flow to the saturation flow. ठीक है? So in this manner you will be able to get the value of optimum cycle length of a traffic signal. ठीक है? Okay? Clear है? Next let's move to the capacity flow or the maximum flow. Qmax value बहुत ही बढ़िया यार, बहुत ही easy है. तो Qmax value तो सबको पता होता है. क्या होता है? VSF into KJ divide by what? KSF into KJ divide by what? I'm asking a question. Okay? बहुत ही सही, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Sorry. Clear? All set. Let me just check if I am missing anything. Number of spaces not much important. Anything else? Let me just check. All right, what is the voids in the mineral aggregate? VMA. Okay, we have to take VMA. Now we are dealing with what? Materials. All right, yes. Okay, so we are dealing with materials now. Effective green time. अरे sir, effective green time के लिए what you have to do? You just have to do Y1 by Y. If I want to get the for G1 is your effective green time now. All right, so for that Y1 y into C0 minus L. C0 अभी निकाला है. C0 we have just calculated. ठीक है? So we will just able to get the value of effective green time. Perfect. इस तरह से clear है? Set है. All right, सब set है. Next is your what I was asking. Yes, VMA. Please tell me VMA. I can understand the some formulas are confusing, but don't worry. If you will keep on practicing, nothing will happen. आप कर लोगे आराम से. ठीक है? VMA. Yes, perfect. So VMA, voids in mineral aggregate, is nothing but it is VV plus VB. Again, one of the important thing. All right, and VFB. If I ask you VFB, voids filled with bitumen. VFB. Perfect. VB upon VMA. ठीक है? And VMA we know VV plus VB. So we can put the value here and you will be able to get the values. All the values you will be able to get. Okay. What we have next? Let me just check. ये हो गया. This is done. अच्छा, what is rigidity factor? It is it center the contact pressure divided by tire pressure? Please tell me. Or tire pressure divided by contact pressure? अभी क्लियर कर देंगे इसको क्योंकि बच्चों को डाउट होता है, आप लोगों को डाउट होता है, तो आज हम इसको क्लियर करके खत्म करेंगे. प्लीज टेल मी. What is rigidity factor? बिल्कुल सही. C ऊपर आएगा. कॉन्टैक्ट प्रेशर अपॉन टायर प्रेशर. ठीक है, कॉन्टैक्ट प्रेशर अपॉन टायर प्रेशर, ठीक है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट था. लेट मी सी नेक्स्ट. ये आप कर लोगे, दिस इज इजी, दिस इज इजी. अच्छा, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, रेडियस ऑफ रिलेटिव इंडेक्स. Last time what happened in 2017, I think directly they have asked the question. It was direct a formula based question. You don't have to do anything, just put the value and you will get the answer. Where is my pen? Okay, so the value of, can anyone give me the formula for that? Anyone like to try it? अच्छा, बस पावर बताओ. जस्ट टेल मी द पावर ऑफ दिस, द होल ब्रैकेट का पावर, प्लीज टेल मी. 1/3, 1/4, 1/2 क्या होगा? कम ऑन, बहुत ही सही सर. 5/2 नहीं होगा एंड 4 तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. ध्रुव 4 नहीं, इट्स 1/4 और 0.25. ऑल राइट, यस, वेरी गुड यार, बहुत ही मजा आ गया. मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव गिव द राइट आंसर, परफेक्ट, मजा आ गया यार. 4 दिन पहले अगर आप ये सही बता रहे हो, बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. ऑल सेट, ठीक है. सो 1/4 शुड बी द आंसर, ठीक है. पलक प्लीज सी, 1/4 शुड बी द आंसर. ऑल राइट, व्हाट वी हैव नेक्स्ट. हो गया यार, खत्म, आई थिंक हो गया. ओके, सी, this is really important for you. Please listen carefully. Tomorrow I will do one more thing. I will bring I give you the choice. Okay, you tell me which 2 subjects you want me to discuss. Any 2 subjects you tell me, formula of which you want. मैंने जो सोचा है, which I have thought is environment. ठीक है, एक environment लेते हैं और एक और कोई लेंगे. Please discuss. Please tell me your requirement. You're welcome, sir. Environment and which one? SOM, FM, transportation हो गया sir. Fluid, environment. Sir, hydrology is very small. So the tie is in fluid, SOM. RCC is also there. एक सेकेंड. फ्लूड, FM, SOM, एनवायरमेंट आई एम टेकिंग. आई एम आस्किंग अलोंग विद एनवायरमेंट. सर्वे इरिगेशन यार नहीं, छोटा है, मजा नहीं आएगा. मजा आना चाहिए, जैसे आज आया. मजा आया कि नहीं आया? जस्ट प्लीज टेल मी, हैव यू एंजॉयड द सेशन और नॉट? फटाफट. इरिगेशन बहुत छोटा है यार. आई एम आस्किंग अलोंग विद इरिगेशन विद सब्जेक्ट SOM and RCC is also coming. ठीक है, तो कल we will have a discussion on environment and FM लेते हैं. All right, but one more session I will conduct in which I will going to take SOM and RCC. सही है, अब सब खुश. ठीक है, सब खुश हो गए, इससे कोई दुखी नहीं होगा. All right, I will discuss each one of them clearly. Set है. If you have enjoyed the session, please let me know and I'll just give you a brief on this course. This is nothing but our course Vision 2021. If you like, टाइम बता दो सर. टाइम यही रहेगा 5:30 क्लियर है. हाँ, फ्लूड विल इंक्लूड OCF ऑल्सो, प्लीज रिमेंबर. अगर मेरे मुंह से आपने कभी भी सुन लिया फ्लूड मैकेनिक्स, इट विल ऑलवेज इन्वॉल्व ओपन चैनल फ्लो. ठीक है, यस सर, सेम टाइम पे होगा. विजन 2021 है हमारा पेड कोर्स है, बहुत कुछ है इस पे, सब कुछ सिखाया जाएगा, सारा टेक्निकल सिलेबस है, नॉन टेक भी है, कंप्लीट 1 ईयर कोर्स है. लाइव क्लासेस होंगी, इवनिंग में लाइव क्लासेस होंगी. बेस्ट पार्ट ये है, एंड इफ यू हैव मिस्ड एनी live class, then you can also watch the recorded session, or you can download the session and watch it with the help of offline service also by closing your net. You can use it. Thank you. Okay, you're welcome. You're very, very welcome. Thank you so much. I actually enjoyed the session. Personally, I enjoyed the session. Okay. Next is, some people were asking what is the discount on that course. So these are the discount rates. All right. So you have 50% discount if you qualify or eligible in any of these 3 conditions. If you have qualified GATE, if you just qualified also, then you will be getting 50% discount on this course. Next, very important thing. is if you are from IIT, NIT or any government college, then also you are available, you are eligible for this course. बाकी जो भी डिटेल्स हैं, कितना प्राइस है, क्या है, एवरीथिंग इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. बस क्लिक करो एंड सामने आपके you will have the information. ESE prelims qualify कभी भी किया है, if you have qualified the ESE prelims, you can just go and also take advantage of this 50% discount. Enjoy करो यार. और कोई भी डाउट है, कुछ भी है, you can ask on this number और you can directly give an email, drop email या फिर आनंद पांडे सर को आप मेल कीजिए. ठीक है, बढ़िया कोर्स है. देखो अभी फ्री चल रहा है, इट इज फ्री राइट नाउ. इफ यू वांट यू कैन जॉइन द क्लासेस. सर्वे इज गोइंग ऑन. बहुत ही बढ़िया पढ़ा रहे हैं सर हमारे अभिनव सर. यू ऑल नो अभिनव सर, ही इज टेकिंग सोम देयर. प्लीज सॉरी, सर्वे राइट नाउ, सर्वे ले रहे हैं वो, बाद में सोम भी लेंगे, बट राइट नाउ सर्वे इज गोइंग ऑन. यू कैन एंजॉय द फ्री ट्रायल ऑल्सो. ठीक है भाई. सो ग्रेडअप ऐप इज योर ओन ऐप, यूज करो इसको. बहुत सारा फ्री कंटेंट है, आपकी जो क्लासेस रहेंगी, आपके पास जितना भी जॉब की नोटिफिकेशन है वो सब मिलेगा आपको फॉर फ्री. ठीक है. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट दीज PDF ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलाज ऑन द ऐप. यू हैव टू सर्च देम. ठीक है. डेली क्विजेज आर ऑल्सो देयर एज वेल एज यू विल ऑल्सो हैव द डाउट सेक्शन. कोई भी डाउट है, यू हैव एनी डाउट, यू कैन पोस्ट द डाउट इन द डाउट सेक्शन एंड आवर मेंटर्स एंड ऑल्सो द SMEs will reply you. I will take one comment also only. So many people are taking. Sir, what is the minimum marks unreserved candidate should score? सर 29 मान लो सर, आप 30 to 29 to 30 फॉर सिविल. ओके, 29 to 30 फ्री ट्रायल. यू विल हैव ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन देयर. ओके, आप जस्ट देखो, गो थ्रू इट. अभी फ्री है, गो थ्रू द कोर्स. वहां पे द बेस्ट पार्ट, आई विल टेल यू द बेस्ट पार्ट इज you have a study plan for whole year. Today also you can go and watch that on 15 September at 7 PM which topic we are going to teach you. Right now also you can watch that. This is good. ठीक है, notes आप please search करो. ठीक है, reserved candidate maximum score. यार reserve का I have less idea actually. ठीक है, but online you can check it. I don't want to give you any false information. Okay, so Gradeup app please use it. ठीक है, कोई भी दिक्कत, कोई भी परेशानी, कुछ भी भूल चूक हुई हो, sorry for that, but I have really enjoyed this session and I hope you also have enjoyed the session. If you have enjoyed it, you can like the video, and if you want you can share it with your friends also. Tomorrow we will meet again with the new formulas of new subject, which is your fluid mechanics and your environmental engineering. ठीक है, and till then enjoy and please revise more and more time. This is the time, and please take care of your health. Take care of your health. It is very important right now. Okay, take care of your health. You have done a tremendous amount of hard work for this one day. You cannot waste it. अच्छा पानी पियो, अच्छा खाना खाओ, and that's it. Nothing much is required. Devratas, love you sir. Love you too, man. I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a such wonderful audience to me. All the very best. अभी फिर मिलूंगा and I will give you more information regarding the GATE examination. कोई भी डाउट हो अब बचा के रखिए. Tomorrow we will meet and we will discuss it again. ठीक है, till then just enjoy, be hydrated and all the very best. So prep smart, score better, go Gradeup. Thank you so much.